If the ends of your handlebars look a little unfinished, or you just want to add a subtle touch of style and protection to your Ryker, we've got you covered. Introducing our aluminum handlebar end caps, a simple upgrade that gives your bars a clean, finished look while protecting them from everyday wear. Each cap is CNC machined from solid billet aluminum and finished in black for a sleek, factory appearance that looks right at home on the Ryker. It's a small detail that makes a big difference, adding a refined, custom touch that feels premium while keeping your Ryker's original style intact. Installation is quick and straightforward with the included stainless hardware. Using a T30 Torx, remove the factory bolt from the end of your handlebars. Slide the new bolt from the kit through your new end cap and mount it up to your handlebars finger tight to start. Then, using a 5mm Allen wrench, tighten the rest of the way, making sure not to over-tighten. Just repeat these steps to install the end cap on the other side. That's all there is to it. If you're ready to upgrade the look of your Ryker with these stylish end caps, grab your set right now at slingmods.com or click the link below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay plugged into everything on 3 wheels. We'll see you out on the road. Thanks for watching.